Good morning, happy new week, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. Time for community service, time to create dope traders through teaching and inspiring. Traders, this is the first Monday of the year. Happy first Monday of the year. How was your weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Do you have a good one? I want to try and do this thing as fast as possible. If you're seeing us for the first time, what we do on here is mark out trading zones. What we do on here is mark out trading zones, areas where we are potentially looking to enter trades for the day. This will help a lot of people who are suffering from analysis paralysis. I color code my charts. My red is for my daily time frame, green is for the 4-hour, and red is for the lower time frame, which is 1 hour and below. This helps me to see clearly, to know exactly where price is trading at without having to juggle back and forth. I spend most of my time on the 30 minutes time frame, and without going back to the 1 hour or the 30 minutes, without going back to the 4 hour or the daily, I'm able to, for instance, we're on the 4 hour right now, right? And I'm able to know that these are daily zones. It just helps and aid productivity and clarity. Also on here we share pep talks. For me, the pep talks are actually more important because they are like daily words that can help you or remind you of things you need to do and things you should not be doing. To all those who have been supporting by sharing, liking, commenting, you all are the real MVP. I thank you all so much. Your actions are well appreciated because we are growing. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what is going on there. I just have the habit of making my zones short, right? But they still reference other areas just to do this for you to see. But I'm a day trader, right? And as a day trader, I trade the day and I clear my charts every day and redraw them all over again. So there's no point of making them long. Also, I like to see clearly. That's why I only use price action. If there is too much, there's a lot going on my screen, I will not be able to see. That's why indicators have never been for me. We said that we need to start this year doing the right thing, following the right rules and following the right trading patterns. Have you started doing that? I need you to answer this question. Have you started doing that? I repeat this and I say it very clearly that holy grail, that amazing strategy that you are looking for, it's in the rules that you are probably not setting and abiding by. Believe that. Talking from experience. Okay, anything to look at on the 1 hour here? No, nothing. So what are we looking at trading today? Let me see what the range is in this zone. Oh, it's a very reasonable range. It's a very reasonable range. Good. So, what areas will I be looking to trade? We have a gap here. Price jump and price opened up in Asian session with a jump and there was a gap, and price came back to fill that gap and back up to retest this zone. So now we've had price reject from here. We've had price again reject from here, and right now we have this rejection candle. So what will I be looking at? What I would do is for sales. We'll start with sales today. If we have this candle close bearish, because now we've had a rejection here before, and now we have another rejection here. So if we have this candle close bearish, on the next candle taking it out in time of volume, we'll be able to sell to go down to see how far it goes. Take some profit around this area and see if it continues. If it pushes down and breaks and close below this point, there's a clean range on this side to sell to go down. if it gets all the way, okay, let me put this so that in case when we're on the trade we don't forget. When we are on the, just give me a second, we're still on what we're looking at for sales. Good. So if price breaks and closes below this point, we sell to price breaks and closes below this point, we sell to go down to see how far it goes. If it pushes all the way down, breaks and close below this area, we sell to go down to see how far it goes. And then if price decides to push up and close above this zone, there's a clean range to this side to go up. So if price decides to push up and breaks and close above this 4-hour resistance, we'll buy to go long to see how far it goes. If price pushes down here, gives us a bullish confirmation from this area, we'll buy to go up to see how far it goes. Did I say down earlier? If price pushes and closes above this point, we buy to see how far it goes. If it pushes down, gives a bullish confirmation from here, we buy to see how far it goes. Pushes all the way down, gives a bullish confirmation from here, or from here, or from here, we buy to see how far it goes. And if it pushes to this area, gives a bullish confirmation, we buy to see how far it goes. If you are confused about confirmations, I have a playlist here that says from novice to pro. If you go watch that, you'll be able to understand everything I'm speaking about confirmations and stuff. I did that playlist first before I started doing this analysis videos, just so that I can bring people up to speed to what I'm doing. And lastly, remember that I do not trade all these zones that I give. They are just areas to potentially enter trades in case. So if one setup is missed, you have an idea for a second setup. That will be all for Nasdaq. Please guys, continue to interact and do all of these things to make us keep growing so we can do more in due time. I wish you a beautiful day trading. Please follow the rules. Don't over trade, don't over leverage your account. Let's grow. I really want you guys to be profitable. Peace out.